can't stop feeling like a robot.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, we are going to be doing this no makeup look, which is super simple. So if you want to learn how to do this look, that only takes about 10 minutes. Please keep on watching. So to start off this look, I'm going to be prepping my face, and I'm going to be using my Elemis Pro-Collagen skin drops. Next, I'm going in with my Henriksen primer. This look is really all about the way we prep our skin because we're going for more of a natural, like no makeup look. So you want your skin to look really hydrated and lovely. Next, I'm going in with my Becca Shimmering Skin Perfecting liquid drops, and I'm just gonna take some on my finger, just a little bit, and this is like a highlighter, but I want to apply this before I apply anything on my face because I wanted to give us that, like I said, that glow. So I'm just applying that like on the high points of my face and kind of just blending it out. Moving on to my brows, I'm just gonna take a brush and brush my hairs up. Okay, so for my brows, I'm just taking my Brow Bar by Rene kit, and I'm just going in with one of these brown shades, and I'm just kind of filling in the spots that need to be filled. My house is falling apart, apparently. Taking a big part. On to concealer. For this look, we are only using concealer. I'm not using any foundation whatsoever, and I'm going to be using my Mercier concealer. I'm just taking this Marc Jacobs concealer brush and then tapping that into my concealer. Just taking some on my brush and then tapping that under my eyes. I'm going to be blending this out first kind of with my brush, or just like applying it with my brush and then blending it out with a beauty blender. You see how it just really brightens up my under eyes. And then I'm also taking my brush and then kind of just like spot concealing any blemishes that I have. Now I'm going to take my beauty blender and just blend that out. Okay, now that that's all blended out, I'm just going to be taking my beauty blender and tapping some in, tapping it into my setting powder, and just on the back of my hand, just tapping kind of like the excess out because I don't want too much. But I'm just going to be setting my under eyes. Then I'm taking this big powder brush and tapping it into my powder and tapping the excess out. It can grab quite a lot, and just dusting my face all over. Okay, the next step, I'm just gonna take my I don't know how to pronounce this, so I'm really bad with the name, but it's this blush that I got in my BoxyCharm box, December box, and I'm just taking some blush and just applying that to the apples of my cheeks. And I'm dusting that over my nose and on my forehead too. I'm gonna curl my eyelashes. You want to curl your lashes because it really opens up your eyes. And we're only using mascara for this look, so you want it to look very nice and big and full. And then I'm going to be using my Tarte Lights Camera Splashes mascara, and it is waterproof. I have I naturally have straight lashes, so if I don't use a waterproof mascara, I feel like the other mascara like really weighs them down, and my eyes just don't hold the curl. So if you have straight lashes, I find that using a waterproof mascara really helps. I also applied some to my bottom lashes as well. And then I'm just gonna take a brush and going in with my Too Faced bronzer, and I'm just taking some of that and just applying that to my eyelids because I want them to look as natural as possible. Like naturally I have dark eyes, so I want to keep it like that. And it also just kind of adds some depth and like warmth to my face. And then I'm taking that down the bridge of my nose and just kind of shaping it a bit. Okay, and I'm gonna set my brows with this brow gel that is from that same Brow Bar kit, and it is a tinted brow gel, so it'll add some more of a full look to the brow. Today I'm going to be using my Kylie liquid lipstick, and it is this like reddish pinkish color, and I'm just taking some of that and tapping it on, and with my finger I'm just gonna rub it out. And this just gives me more of a like tinted lip look. I'm also gonna take a napkin and just blot it out so it's not as intense. Just like that. And then lastly, I'm gonna go back in with that Shimmering Skin Perfector drops from Becca, and I'm taking my beauty blender and I'm just gonna tap that onto like the high points of my face only, just to add some more glow to the face. And lastly, I'm just gonna set my face using my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. That is all for this no makeup look. Guys, this is so simple. Seriously, like you can do it under 10 minutes. But that is all for this no makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel, and please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Also make sure to turn on the little bell notification so you're notified every single time that I post a new video. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to follow my Instagram and to like my Facebook page. All right, bye guys.